Mudras and doshas. So that is my part that Sabdados. So today I am going to take a small concept that we can inculcate in our life. So everybody have a mother. 50 years in Ayurveda. So it's important of example. So menopause is a problem. So in menopause stage, everybody suffer with these problems like cessation of menstruation preceded by dysfunctional uterine bleeding and the problems of uterus, carcinoma of cervix, ovary surface, and senile vaginity is the commonly complaint by the elderly women and osteoporosis and geriatric problems like hypertension, diabetes, neurological disorders related to Vata. So this is the more problem with Vata. So we have to control with the help of our Ayurvedic simple things. So generally the patient will complain of hypertension. Even mild, like 120 by 90, we will start hypertension. So many people. Why can't you try with our Ayurvedic things like you inform the patient, you inform the mother to go walking and do Anuloma Dravyas like Haritaki and Virechana and every week Virechana, every month Virechana, mind Virechana. If any constipation, review them. If any cholesterol, you make them to walk. So observe mild one by one. Don't go directly to hypertension. If your mother is suffering with mild BP, go directly, don't go to derma. You just try with Ayurvedic drugs like Sarpagandha, Brahmi Taila, Shilopyanga. Shilopyanga will decrease BP now. I have many patients complain of mild hypertension, not stress. We are giving just Brahmi Taila, Shilopyanga. The patients feel very relief. The BP also decreases to 180 like that. So try to give minimum Ayurvedic aids so that we can get results. Like Jatamox you can use, Ashwagandha Chodo you can use. So the difference we can use to control the hypertension in the geriatric woman. And then this diabetes. Diabetes also we can manage and reverse with Ayurveda. Like diabetes you can take it as Prameha or Madhumeha. We can give little remedies like maybe, maybe. Phenogram you can advise something. The HbA1c is below, around 6 below, 5.5 to 6 below. Just to see 3 months average, HbA1c, one test is there. You have to observe that it will be must be below 5.5. It is 5.6 or 7. You just start with minimum things like Ayurvedic, Prameha Chikitsa, and dieting, then walking, then little Vyayama, and avoid the Devasopana, and avoid milk and jaggery and all things. Then we get the diabetes also can reverse. With Ayurveda, 3 months basic things we can reverse it. So try to start practice with minimum Ayurvedic things. Then thyroid. Also that is also doable. Then neurological disorders related to Vata. So if the patient with the age of 45 to 50, generally they have complaints like osteoarthritis. They have complaints like knee pains and neck pains like that. So we can just try with our Ayurvedic like Abhyanga, then Patrabhavati, and Vivavasti, simple things. Just give the soya beans. Soya beans is the historical food. Soya beans and tilak, white tilak, sesame seeds. That are good historical things. Like groundnut, like that to advise the mother to take that drugs, take that medicines. Then apply to daily Abhyanga Snana, and emotional management. So once the historical things will get a lot of emotional activities like sudden anger, sudden depression, and what person will be getting. So we have to treat it Brahmana Chikitsa and Jivana Chikitsa. Like Brahmana we can give it Ashwagandha Shirapaka, then Shatavari, then like this drugs we can give, Jatamox and all. So these are gentle Rasayana drugs. See, these all drugs are now contains simple Vata drugs. Like the Amalaki can take Amalaki Rasayana. You can advise the mother to mix this Amalaki with honey and with the Amalaki honey for 30 days and then take. So it is rich contents of antioxidants and good minerals. So it has anti-aging property, Amalaki. Then Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is not. It is a lot of studies are going on. Ashwagandha is consists of linoleic acids and vithania, which contains somniferin, which will produce good sleep and it will do strength to nerves. So we can use Ashwagandha Shira in night time for insomnia. And then we can Shatavari. Shatavari is a lactosic acid. It contains historic acid. Then Pipalik is Agni, the patient of Agni, we can give Pipalik. Then Amruta is a Dhuruchi, it's the best antibiotic, anti-inflammatory and many things are there. You can give the Dhuruchi Sattva. Just inform to mother to take Dhuruchi Sattva with water. 1 liter water, 2 pinch and 3 pinch Dhuruchi Sattva. It contains definitely primitive acid also. Then Punanala is an Somahara, you will access Somahara, and Mandukapani is the Medya Rasayana. You can use Mandukapani. Then Kishtimadu, Kishtimadu, no? Guys, it is a generally it's a Rasayana also. It is a Vadhara also. Kishtimadu. Then Brahmi is the best for. It is usually for available anywhere in the water places. You can collect it and you can give Brahmi Arka. You know Brahmi Arka. You can make it into Brahmi Arka, Brahmi Arka, and you can take intake also. So it has a good food. Mind memory also increase because there will be lot of memory because amnesia will be there in the age of 50 to 60 years. So then Bada Tiger can prepare, Bada Kashaya can prepare. Then Haritaki is Anuloma property. The patient suffering with constipation, we can do Haritaki. Then Bada Rasayana also there can prepare. Then major Rasayana like Brahmi Shankavasti, Rasayana because there is the guardian issue will be there more after 50 years. So we can use Arjuna Shirapaka. Arjuna Shirapaka is very useful in the condition like hypertension and lot of diseases are there. Then Tvacha Rasayana because once we cross the 50 years, we have a lot of blinking of skin is there. So we can use Kadira and Chachusha. There will be loss of senility in cataract issues will be there. Retina nerve weakness will be there. So we can use the drugs like Trifla, we can use Tarpana, and Trifla intake we can use, and Trifla plus Kishtimadu we can use, and Jivantyadi Grota we can use, lot of drugs are available. So these are we can use for your mother, because every mother will teach neopoms. Every mother will teach. So we can practice in our home itself. Simple products, single drug remedies. So then Kanya, the person suffering with cough and cold, we can do Kishtimadu. And if the patient has Vata symptoms, you can do the Bala, Nagabala, Durgam, like Jivantyadi Durgam, then Vidaryadi Durgam, Vidari Dhujam, Vidari Panchakala Rushikari, Vidaryadi Dhujam, Brahmana, Vata Pitta Shosha Gurma, Mata Hondo Swasakana, some Gutas also there, Vidaryadi Durgam. Then if it is Pitta Prakriti, you can use Dorvadi Durgam, Shatavari, Madhudravya, and if it is Kapha Prakriti, you can use the Varivani and Pipali, Balataka. So each and every cartoon have importance. So if Rasak side will be there, Rasavan, Sodana, Chitran, Abhijana, there will be lot of mental agony will be there. Once they will reach to 50 to 60 years, due to lot of any family issues or anything. So in that we can do the Rasa, Bama, Soto, Hundi. We can give it Kachura, Aksha, Kashmari. Like that, we can do Kachura, Manta. Kachura, Manta, you know, Kachura, Manta, and Raksha, Manta. Like Rakshasa, like it we can rescue. So that it will increase it will avoid anemia and it will give ojas to the mother. And Rakta, Lavada Rasayana, we can give Amraki Rasayana, Progara Jasava, Pamandu, and Mamsa, Bala, Nagabala, Rolanti, and Meda, Guru, Shilani, Amruka, Asti Samaraka, Laksha, we will do a lot of osteoporosis which will be there. So we can use Asti Samara and Laksha, Ophthalmosna, Krishnapani. And Majja, Lavada Rasayana, Vasa, Majja, Shukra, Atma, Bhuktani, Kashaya, and Vatikana, Rasa, so we use. So I will explain like many kanas like Pradasana, like Indri, Brahmi, Satariya, Sanskariya, lot of reference explain. We can take all the friends and make Shirapana and we can use the mother. So lot of friends are there to try to plan. So why is Tavana? So why is Tavana explain? Ayurveda, in Kali Yuga, lifespan is 120 years. How many people are reaching 120 years? Other going at 60 years, 70. Why can't you reach? The Ayurveda can reach definitely. So try to save your mother with support drugs. So Jivanya like Jivanti, Kakori, Shirakakori, Ushikari. So we can have Jivanya, Dashimanya also there. Then Balya, then Brahmaniya, Rasayana, Suprajanna, Vajikanna. So all the facts are explained. In general yoga sastra you can do Chavaprash and Amraki Rasayana, Ashwagandha Rasayana, Brahma Rasayana, Agastya Rasayana. So according to condition we can do Agastya Rasayana in the cough and cold, and we can do Chavaprash in ability conditions and massive conditions. So Achara Rasayana is inform the mother to follow yoga, Sadhurta, good mind with good action, good surroundings. So inculcate the basic Sadhurta Siddhanti also, and all aspects of yoga and homa, money, and different aspects like. So finally the thing is that improve the Rathadhatu, improve the tissue nourishment, and Vartamani people travel contains of like our Shiraju yogas and everything. So it will decrease the Shotavan to see. So Ashwarana is anti-stress and immunomodulatory action, and antioxidant property, immunomodulatory property, adaptogenic property, antibacterial aspects, antifungal, antiviral. So finally our protocol is Ahara, Vihara and Manasika. So if you change everything, then we'll get a good mind and good body and good society. So thank you all, thank you for giving this opportunity. So your mother will good health, that is available in our home itself. So definitely Ayurveda will reach your mother to 100 years of life. So mother is our basic aspect of our life. So if she is happy, we will be happy, then our society will be happy. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.